In further changing up the look of your bed or sofa, it's possible to prepare your very own pillows with Sublacraft's polyester pillow covers. Whether you prefer them in canvas-like or linen threading, these 15 3/4 inch square pillow covers are made with 100% polyester. Sublimation transfers thus display at their best when applied on their overall white surface, much like with a white polyester tee. As special housewarming gifts, open house decor, or party theming, Sublacraft's pillow covers are versatile enough to fit the appearance you need with your design chops. Speaking of designs, the first step is to, of course, prepare your design and any extra elements within the imprint area of the pillow covers. As these pillows are on the much larger end of sublimation blanks, you'll need to find sublimation paper and a printer stretching beyond at least 16 inches in width. However, you can still apply isolated designs with smaller paper ranging from 8.5 by 11 inches to 13 by 19 inches without much extra work prior to printing. Once your design is ready to go, you may print it through your sublimation printer. Sawgrass users will need to print through Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings: substrate to polyester, paper to the loaded paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid, depending on the preferred level of color saturation. With the design now printed, let's turn on our heat press and set it to 45 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with light pressure. Once the machine reaches temperature, cover the lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper. Then add a Sublacraft pillow cover on top. Now you may bring your printed design over with the image side facing toward the pillow, which will then be kept in place using heat tape. With everything prepared, cover the items with another parchment paper sheet and press. After 45 seconds, open the heat press and allow the items to cool down for at least 20 seconds. Once cooled, quickly peel the transfer off the pillow and it's now been sublimated with your unique design. By allowing the pillow to cool down, you'll be ready to apply another or the same design on the back side of the pillow cover without any ghosting or bleed through. But to learn more about Sublacraft and sublimation, feel free to check out our YouTube channel or visit us at heatpressnation.com.